Like our welcome song, we would like to welcome you, knowing fully well that you are our district governor, whose job is to do. This governor's visit already and grateful that you are able to make it. Alam namin kung gaano kahirap ang district governor. And blessed are you to start saying that in emergency. Kasi ako, 7 days pa lang in emergency room na. I was rushed to the hospital kasi hindi ako sanay na gabi-gabi. I think araw-araw ay tumagal na ako muli sa amin. So I had to be rushed. So the Sena, alam ba, kasi I had to ask ata. I cannot stay long. So, nakakwento ko lang dito to, pagdating din sa palapit lang sa Queen Margaret, paborito namin